Lesson Overview. A pivot chart is a chart linked to a pivot table. It updates as you change the pivot, and it shares filters and slicers, making it the fastest way to build interactive visuals. Creating a pivot chart. Two ways. From an existing pivot table, PivotTable Analyze PivotChart, pick a chart type. Direct from data. Insert Pivot Chart Excel creates both a pivot and a chart together. Linked behavior. Filtering or slicing the pivot updates the chart automatically. Changing the layout. Drag fields between rows, columns, values, reshapes the chart. A small set of chart-specific filter buttons appears on the chart itself. Choosing the right chart type. Column. Bar comparing categories. Line trends over time. Stacked column composition over time or by category. Pie donut share of a single total, only with a small number of slices. Combo, for example, column plus line, two metrics with different scales, like revenue bars and growth percent line. Cleaning up the chart. Remove grid lines you don't need. Add data labels for key bars. Chart elements data labels. Simplify the legend or remove it if obvious from labels. Use one accent color for the most important series. Keep the rest neutral gray. Sort the underlying pivot so bars appear in a meaningful order. Filtering with slicers. Pivot Table Analyze. Insert slicer pick fields. For example, region, year. Slicers control the pivot and the chart. For multiple pivots from the same source, you can connect one slicer to all of them via report connections. Refreshing. Right-click the chart, refresh data, or refresh the underlying pivot. The chart follows.